What is 3D printing? 3D printing is the action or process of making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, typically by laying down many thin layers of a material in succession. The main advantages of 3D printing is convenience. To make a model, there is no need to maintain large workshop with special equipment. Just one printer is enough. Speed. It takes no more than 2 hours to make one object a wide range of material used. To create original layouts, not only plastic can be used, but also ceramics, paper, and in some cases food products. Unlimited possibilities. Modern 3D equipment allows you to create objects of any shape and complexity. Profitability. There is practically no waste during 3D printing as the object is created layer by layer using only the required amounts of material. The 3D printer can be used in all spheres of our life: medicine, dentistry, architecture, design, mechanical engineering, electronics, education, research, jewelry industry, and consumer goods. Three-D printing allows you to get miniature 3D copies of people in full color. For these purposes, there are special 3D printers that reproduce model in full color.
I would like to present to you the newest model of such a copies in the 8th scale. It's my copy. No, you're my copy.